Hey everyone, it's me, Jonah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will unbox my first BoxyCharm or BoxyLuxe for the month of June. First off the list is this NARS blush in the shade Orgasm. This is a cult favorite, best-selling blush that delivers a weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek, colors in matte, satin, and shimmering finishes. The original price for this NARS blush is $30. I also got this Benefit Brow Styler, Eyebrow Pencil, and Powder Duo. In the shade Warm Deep Brown. This 2-in-1 wax pencil and powder duo is all you need to create essential eyebrow looks. This is a waterproof 18-hour wear wax pencil, effortlessly sculpts and shapes brows. The loose filling powder's precise angle felt tip allows for mess-free application while building easily for a soft and natural look. This Benefit Brow Styler, Pencil and Powder Duo is $34. And this is how much you will get for $34 eyebrow pencil. I also got this Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. I'm really excited for this one. This antioxidant-enriched moisturizer provides skin with 12 hours protection from damaging free radicals. This one costs $64. I also got this Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. It melts away makeup and daily impurities while leaving skin looking healthy, fresh, and glowing with this buttery, brightening cleanser. It has a unique blend of fermented pumpkin enzymes and acerola cherry enriched with AHA that helps to brighten skin, while mango butter and chia seed oil nourish and hydrate the skin. So this Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter, this one costs $38. I also got this Pure Heals Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. I'm kinda disappointed with this. Not only because with how it looks and what happened to it, it's just that I don't see myself using this. And I also got this Be Flat Firming Belly Cream. Again, I'm kind of disappointed with this product because when I answered the quiz from BoxyCharm, I asked for more makeup, but I got these thingies. This one costs $49. For our friends who doesn't know the BoxyCharm, it is a monthly subscription where you can get makeup or skincare. I'm really expecting that I will get the Seattle London I Am a Woman eyeshadow palette, but instead I got this one. I'm sad. And if you subscribe to BoxyCharm, let me know, comment down below which item did you get, and tell me if you're happy about it or if you're not happy about it. I also got this Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. Again, I'm kinda disappointed with this because I'm expecting more makeup, but instead I got this thingies like skincare and stuff like that. I feel so bad. Do you think I should just cancel my subscription? Let me know, comment down below. And lastly, I got this BOXYLUXE Sassy Luxe bundle. In the kit, I got a pair of blush, mini black magnetic liner, and this removable swabbies. I like the fact that they give this thing to make it easier to remove, and also the kit or the bag. Comment down below if you're happy about your BoxyCharm or BoxyLuxe. This one costs $90. Alright, so for the total of my BoxyLuxe for this month is gonna be $385. But I only paid $50 for this BoxyLuxe for the month of June. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts about this BoxyCharm. Alright, thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!